So one of the best ways to get organised is to create a folder system. One of the main benefits of having a folder system is that you can see all your resources and find them when you need them. If you don't have a folder system, everything's unorganised, you might lose things, you might want to find something and then you end up looking for lots of things. You can also do this with files. So all the electronic files, sort them into your computer. Make a new folder and make subfolders for each different heading that you might have.
So I use backwards planning to organise my time. I make sure that I have my deadline dates and I work backwards from my deadline dates, putting in any lectures I have, any formative assignments I have, and obviously the summative assignments I have, and making sure that I've got everything in there and can fit it in that amount of time. It allows me to get my deadline in and have time to actually proofread, redraft, and do everything I need to do to make sure I'm submitting the best piece of work I can.
Calendar itself, people hardly use calendars. You block dates of important things in your calendar, so it reminds you, when the time gets closer. And also another effective way is saying no. To some people, don't always go for everything they invite you for. If you are really pressed for time, you can politely say, look, I'm sorry, I would love to help, but this is the wrong time. Maybe next time I should help.
If you want to submit a question or have something that you want help with, simply email us at studyadvisors@derby.ac.uk. You can send us your questions and we'll try to answer them in these videos. You can also book an appointment with our skills advisors. They can meet with you one-to-one to discuss your issues. To book an appointment, simply use the link that is in the description of this video.